Sunday, my fellow dancers, it is myself and the talented Miss Laura.
Hello, everybody.
We're going to show you what we taught for our twice a month West Coast Swing class with the Herndon Social Dancers here in Herndon, Virginia. Lately, here in Herndon, I've been doing a lot of elbow catches in these movements. So this is version number two. Never taught this before, so I hope you like it as well. It is led off a normal tuck. So a normal tuck is with her right hand, my left hand, you pull her through the track. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That's a basic tuck. We're going to go front to back just so you can see that. Just a basic tuck. Tuck her through, and she goes underneath her right arm, my left. Okay? Then we change that a little bit. Same tuck, same movement. Pull her through 1, 2, 3, and 4. But this time I'm going to use her left hand and my right hand to lead it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So I'm just using my other hand to pull her through. Now remember on a tuck turn, you want to bring her in 1, 2, push away, and then bring her forward towards you. That's the compression part of the tuck. So 1, 2, compress, pull her forward, and then she just rotates to her right. Now, the catch. By 6, we're going to add another triple to this. Watch what we're going to do, and then we'll show you how we did it. So sugar push, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're just going to add the other triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I know, see, I've been meaning to do that.
Sorry.
It's hard to stop. You're going to take leaders, you're going to take your left hand, and you're going to connect with her right elbow. You want to stop her momentum from traveling. So going front to back, or at least going from this direction, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now as Laura's turning to the right, I let go of her right hand, and I'm going to take my left, and I triple step, and I catch it behind her arm. I want to stop her momentum. Okay, that's the catch. If you don't catch her right there, you can't do the rest of the move. So that's the 6. We're just going to finish it now. So after the sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, and 10. You connect. That starts the rotation for her. So let's go this direction to the side here. So it's a 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'm on my right. Laura's starting to turn, but she's on her left foot. And then using both hands to make her turn to her left for a triple. Triple step, and then I push her forward down the track. If you don't push her forward, she will stay in place. So going again, same direction, because that's probably the best way you can see it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I pull her forward, and then I give her a little push at the end. All right, going front to back to the camera, because it might be a little bit better that way. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. So I use my left hand to really start the turn, and I take my right hand in the middle of her back and gently lead her through. There's another way to get out of it. So instead of letting her go, you end up in a closed position, and we'll show you that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and come up and meet her, and then do a tuck. Okay? Regular tuck this time, and you're out. Okay? That's a cool elbow catch. Just remember, compress, you want to stop her momentum, make her continue turning to the left, and then send her through, and you're good to go. Thank you, my dear. 2 thumbs up. That's a good sign. Thank you, guys. I hope you like it so much. Your support means the world to me. Remember to subscribe every week for a free video. Hope you like this one. Hope you use the next one. Until next time, have a great week.
Bye.
Keep dancing.